Hey guys, this is One-EyedDriver. We're back at it, Demolition Derby 3. Today we'll be taking out the Mirth, or I think it was an AMC Gremlin. I don't know, I have to look it up, but yeah. I don't think I've really told you guys much about this game. But basically it's just like a Demolition Derby racing. Like you can do, like you can customize your car and all that, and all that. And then you can get like upgrades, like there's engine upgrades, tire and brake upgrades actually. Then you can get like roller cages. That's pretty much it. And then there's like tournaments you can do. You can do multiplayer, quick derby, or quick race. And then you can like test drive cars that you don't have or cars that you do have. So that's just like the gist of the game. Today I'm going to be doing demolition derby and race with it. So do Docks Arena. Really, dude? Ow. Oh crap. What do you mean? Tell me how you guys are like enjoying this game and all that. And also, if you have any ideas what I could do, let me know, please. Oh, I'm almost dead. God. Oh, shoot. Well, yeah. Terrible. Pretty terrible at the demolition derby, even though it's Class B. Oops. So, we'll do a race now and see if it actually better. Maybe salvage mile. Oopsies. Hey. Ah, hi. There we go. So yeah, that was the Mirth or the AMC Gremlin. Tell me how you guys thought of it, and leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and the little bell notification. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.